In Ocean City, New Jersey, beach tags are required for all beachgoers ages 12 and older and will be in effect June 4th, 2022 through Labor Day, September 5th, 2022. Seasonal tags cost $25, weekly tags are $10 and will be available at the various locations in the other video linked below, at booths, on the boardwalk, and from tag inspectors on the beach. Daily tags are $5 and available also from inspectors on the beach. Why beach tags, you say? Beach tags are required in most municipalities along the New Jersey coastline. They are a user fee to help offset the local municipalities' cost of maintaining their beaches and providing lifeguards and other services such as trash removal, beach cleaning, and the purchase of needed equipment and police protection. The cost of these items and all of the other beach benefits are supported by this user fee known as the beach tag. The beach fee program was approved by the residents of Ocean City in 1976 and continued since that time to help offset all of the costs associated with the beach.